You know that sinking feeling when you see a message on your dashboard counting down the miles until your truck limits its speed or simply won't restart? It is usually tied to the emission system, and for diesel owners, the code P202F is a common nightmare. This code points to the Reductant or Regeneration Supply Control Circuit range performance. I know that sounds like a mouthful of engineering jargon, but let's break it down into plain English. Your modern diesel uses a fluid, often called DEF, to clean up the soot and bad gases coming out of the exhaust. This system, called the SCR, needs a pump to push that fluid to the injector. The code P202F means the computer, the PISCM, is seeing weird voltage signals from that pump circuit. It is either doing too little work or working way too hard. This is serious because if that pump isn't pressurizing the fluid correctly, the exhaust gets dirty, the filter clogs, and the truck goes into limp mode to protect itself. You might see black smoke or just feel a total lack of power. Now, don't just run out and buy a new pump immediately because they are expensive. We need to troubleshoot this smart. First, grab your scanner and look at the freeze frame data. We want to see if this is an intermittent ghost or a hard failure. Clear the code and test drive. If it resets instantly, you have a hard fault. You will need a multimeter to test the pump. Usually, these pumps run on battery voltage. If you can use your scanner to command the pump on, listen for it. Is it buzzing? If it is silent, check the power and ground at the connector. If it is buzzing but struggling, or if the voltage drops significantly when it turns on, the pump might be internally clogged or electrically shorted. Also, do not ignore the simple stuff. Check the DEF tank. Is the fluid old and crystallized? That crystal buildup can jam the pump and cause the resistance to spike, triggering this exact code. It is often a game of checking wires for corrosion, especially near the tank where road debris hits, before condemning the expensive pump unit itself.